Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a system restore point so you can undo changes if needed. This protects your system. Next, open Device Manager and identify the exact device and its hardware ID vid/PID so you download the correct package. Once you have the vendor site, choose the driver that matches your OS and architecture, then download the package and any README. While you download, make sure you avoid generic sites. Official OEM files reduce risk and increase compatibility. Now install the driver in a controlled way. For INF files, use Device Manager, right arrow update driver, right arrow browse. For packaged installers, run the OEM exe as administrator. Signed drivers are safer. Check the digital signature and release date to confirm relevance. If you update graphics or chipset drivers, close open applications and save your work to prevent data loss. Once the installer finishes, follow prompts and let the system write files. Make sure to note any prompts about rebooting or firmware updates before proceeding. After installation, reboot immediately and check Device Manager for yellow warnings and the reported driver version. Then test the device with real tasks, transfer files, run a display test, or use simple benchmarks to confirm stability. If anything goes wrong, don't panic. Open Device Manager and use rollback driver or uninstall the driver, then reboot into safe mode to remove stubborn drivers. As a last resort, restore the system restore point you created at the start to return the machine to its previous state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.